Here we go, folks. Michael Platt Motors, Weaverville, California. We're at it again, and we got another one. 1971 Volkswagen Transporter. I'm out here with my buddy Nathan. This is his bus. He's a good dude. We're in Fortuna, California. That's in Humboldt County. And it is a beautiful, friendly Fortuna day. Got a 1600cc engine. It's been rebuilt under his ownership. New brakes all around. Looks like decent rubber. I think they may be mismatched. It's got Lincoln seats and a Mercedes emblem. Blue plate, California special. Let's take a closer look. You know, I'm a big fan of these VWs. I had about a dozen of them back in the 90s. Started off with Bugs. That was my first vehicle. And then I eventually graduated to buses, Westphalias, Transporters, and had a lot of fun. This one's not perfect, but it's pretty cool, and mechanically it's in good shape. I see some repairs back here. Looks like some Bondo work. Not looking so good. I've seen worse, but we got to point this stuff out. I took plenty of still pictures of it. Same here. Passenger side. I'm at the back corner, and yeah, kind of a crusty job. But she sounds good, runs strong. Take a peek back here, look how it's set up. Nathan's got a futon he just throws on there, and it's the ultimate beach cruiser, campmobile. Back glass is good. This side doesn't look as bad, but I still see a little bit of crust and/or crust repair over here too. This window looks good here. Same thing down here. Do it right, she's gonna need some metal work. There's my buddy. I see some bubbles up here below the driver's side door. So if you're into blowing bubbles, that could be a good thing. It's got this interesting kind of rack up here that I haven't seen, some sort of custom fabrication. I guess if you hit a deer or something, you may be okay. Nose doesn't look too bad. I took a bunch of pictures underneath. I saw a couple crusty spots. Wasn't horrible, but I pointed it out in the still photos. Over on the passenger side now, a few more bubbles. We're riding on 205 75 14s, and like I said, I think we're mismatched here. I think we got two sames in the back and two sames in the front. money shot. Looking good inside. Futon ready. Looking to go to some concerts this summer, this fall. Maybe you just want to hit the road. Maybe you're looking for a project. You're looking to get into VWs, but don't want to break the bank. This could be the one for you. Got some storage underneath here. You know, but that stuff can always be reconfigured. There's those beautiful Lincoln seats. Let's take a closer look at them. Let's take a peek under here real quick. Oh, not too shabby. It's got the tag. It's got the VIN. There's the Lincoln seats. Now that's cruising in style. I mean, I used to drive cross country back in the 90s with the old Volkswagen seats, and these have seen better days, but I bet they're still really comfortable. You can see the passenger side, and I'm seeing a little bit of pavement. I've seen worse, but I've seen better. 1971 Volkswagen Transporter. Looks like it's got a Pioneer stereo, original steering wheel, roof looks good. If you're looking to take one to the next level, just want to get in and go cruising. Engine was rebuilt by a Volkswagen expert up in Portland under Nathan's ownership. You like Volkswagens as much as I do? Give me a call. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Weaverville, California, 707-599-9448. plattmotors@gmail.com is my email. plattmotors.com is my website. You can see all the stills on plattmotors.com. Hemmings, classiccars.com, Auto Trader Classics, classic.com. Feel free to call or text anytime. Let's talk. I love to talk about Volkswagens. Give me a buzz and let's help Nathan out. He's a good guy, and he's looking to send this VW down the road. He's getting a master's. He's doing social work. He's into helping people. And that's what we do at Platt Motors. We're going to help him out. We're going to find a good home for this Volkswagen, and it may be you. Call me anytime. Look forward to talking to you soon. Questions, concerns, shipping, no problem. Just send a car to Texas, sending one to SoCal. I've sent them to almost all 50 states. Honest, transparent, talk to the owner. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Weaverville, California. Come check out the new showroom. Appreciate you watching my videos. I look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.